Hi friends, welcome back. Today I came with an interesting video of Lexus IS350 AC water leakage issue. This because of the drain pipe blockage. So let's see the inside of the car. There is water inside the carpet and let's see how to fix this issue. Here is the location of the drain pipe. It's just above the gearbox, so it's very difficult to reach there. Here you can see just above the connector there is a small hole for the water drainage pipe. The issue because of blocking this pipe, you will get wet inside your car. So let me show you with a diagram. Here I already mentioned the area of the water. For reaching there, we need to remove some things. First of all, the O2 oxygen sensor. Then we need to remove the exhaust pipe from the V pipe. Then we need to unmount the front drive shaft. Finally, we need to remove the gearbox also to reach there. But if we have a experienced mechanic, we can do it easily. So let me show you how to do this one. Here Mr. Sadishan is going to help us to do this one. First we need to make the car temperature down, then put a jacky under the gearbox. Just support the gearbox with a jacky, then we can unmount the 4 mounting screws of gearbox. Let's see how to unmount it first. Here we are going to unmount. There is 4 screws in the mounting. Once it unmounted, we can slowly step down the jacky and make the gearbox little bit down to make some rooms to put our hands inside. Here you can see, now we can go inside and find the hole. Here we are using some needle to make it open the blocked area. Here we are trying to reach the hole. Let's try from the other side. Here the little bit water is coming. So we reached the hole and now we are cleaning it. Let me try to reach you there with the camera, but it's a little bit hard. Yes, finally we got it. Now the water is shattering from the pipe. Now we may clear the hole. This is the easy way. If you have a good mechanic with you, you can do it easily. Otherwise you need to unmount all the above mentioned items to reach there. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please all of you subscribe and keep watching and be with us. Thank you. Thanks a lot for seeing the video.